Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into a tool review that's been on my radar for quite a long time. It's the Harbor Freight Icon Locking Head Flex Ratchet. It's a mouthful, isn't it? And a bit set. So now I've been using this set for a couple of weeks now, and I'm really excited to share my thoughts about it because it's pretty popular. So let's dive into it. So first off, let's talk about what you get inside of this set. The Icon series is Harbor Freight's premium line. It's designed to compete with the big guys out there, and I think they've done a pretty good job. This set includes a 1/4-inch drive locking flex head ratchet and a bunch of bits. All comes in a great case like this. As you can see, it's real nice and sturdy, and I always appreciate a good case. So here's what you get. A 1/4-inch drive ratchet with a 90-degree tooth gear, a full set of bits, including Torx, Phillips, flathead, and hex, a couple of extensions for those hard to reach places. Let's talk a little bit about the design, the build quality. First impressions, this ratchet feels solid. The chrome finish is nice and smooth, and the handle has a nice heft to it. The flex head allows for 180 degrees of movement, which is fantastic to get into those really tight spots. But the real star here is the locking mechanism, in my opinion. So the lock holds the head in place wherever you need it, and it feels really secure. I've used some other flex head ratchets that have a lot of flop to them, that don't lock, and they're just, a mess to deal with. And this seems to be, pretty good quality. So the 90-tooth mechanism gives you a very tight 4-degree, if you can hear it, 4-degree swing arc on this. So, which is awesome. When you don't have a lot of space, you can move it just 4 degrees. We'll hear the click. And you've got some movement that you can put a little bit of leverage on there, and you're going to be able to move whatever you're trying to tighten or loosen. I've used this ratchet on everything from small engine repairs, on say a weed whacker, putting the furniture together in those really tight spots. It's been, a real asset in the shop. So let's talk about the bits. The bits themselves are really solid. Very well machined. They fit snugly into the fasteners without any slop or anything like that I found. Plus having the extension here is a really nice bonus for this kit, I think. So let's just cut to it. What are the pros and cons of this kit here? Pros, I'd have to say the solid build quality and finish is fantastic. Securing that nice button that secures the locking flex head is fantastic. A smooth 90-tooth mechanism, and the comprehensive bit selection that it comes with. Now, on the other hand, the cons, it's a little bit more expensive than other Harbor Freight tools since it is the Icon line. The bit holder could be a little bit more secure. I've noticed that some bits can rattle around, have a little bit of play inside of the case itself. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons for me. This ratchet is a serious tool for anyone who spent a lot of time out in their shop. So is this toolkit worth it? I think absolutely. If you're looking for a high quality ratchet that can stand up to regular use, this is the set for you. I think it's a fantastic option. Especially if you're a fan of Harbor Freight, the Icon line. It's a bit of an investment, for what it is, but right at $40 compared to other offerings out there. But the quality you get in return, I think, is well worth it. So as always, guys, I'd like to hear what you guys think. Do you have this tool? What do you think about it? Do you have something else that you think is better? Be sure to leave us a comment and let me know and all the other viewers what your opinion is. And if you enjoyed this review, guys, be sure to give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe. It really helps the channel so I can bring more tool reviews like this one to you guys. But really appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, stay handy.